So here at Accelerate, all of our team members have a real passion for four-wheel driving, as we're really keen four-wheel drivers over the weekends and go camping together, and that leads us into actually having a love of working on the vehicles as well. So some of the things we do here at Accelerate include lift kits or any other interesting things that you require for your four-wheel drive. We can help you with any of your needs that will make your vehicle not only drive better in the bush, but also get you out on the weekends camping, as we love to as well. Some of the things that we specialise here in our four-wheel drive market is fitting suspension lift kits. Now this particular vehicle is a new Ford Ranger. Now he's had a Dobinson Lift Kit fitted, and you can see the springs and the shocks there. Now the reason for wanting a lift kit on your vehicle is to make it perform better off-road, giving you more clearance, giving you more flex and better suspension travel, and obviously getting you out on the tracks and enjoying your weekends. As part of your lift kit, you will get your vehicle weighed. So we do that as part of every lift kit that we fit, to give you an idea of just how much weight you can carry to reach your GVM. And this is our safety stop here, and that's what gives us the readings. And as we walk over here, we can see this vehicle is sitting on our safety stop, and this not only does the weights but also does other braking tests as well. On this particular Ford Ranger, now the customer's wanting to really look after and keep this vehicle for a long time, so we've advised him to fit a catch can. Now we've gone for a ProVent 200 catch can, which is this device here, and that essentially stops all the breathing oil vapour going back into the engine and clogging up your intake system and your engine, keeping the vehicle in better condition for you, the customer. So whether it be a lift kit, catch cans, bull bars, winches, we here at Accelerate can fit it all. So come and see us for any of your four-wheel drive needs.